This is A1 of 3 mains. The bikes get AAA mains. This is a 7-minute race. I believe it's 7 minutes. Okay, good luck to you guys. Listen for the tone. Turn marshals, be on your toes just in case. Good luck to you. Clean start. And it is Ian Francisco. Whoa, Dwayne Lawler slips under him before that first turn. Dwayne Lawler put a move on him. Slipped under him on that first corner coming off the straightaway, so Dwayne Lawler will take the lead early in this thing. This is a 7-minute race. Oh, Ian Francisco makes a mistake, gets the bike back upright, so right now it is Dwayne Lawler and Lito Reyes as they rocket down the straight. Those bikes are fast. So I said earlier in the day, don't count out Mr. Lawler because he can sneak up on you. And he did. He put a move on Ian coming into turn 1, and Ian went, huh? So right now I have got Dwayne Lawler with that yellow bike pulling away. Looks like Lito Reyes is in second. Here comes
6 minutes left.
Ian. Yep, here comes Ian. He's in third right now. He's putting all kinds of pressure on the back of Dwayne Lawler as they go around Wiley's Island. Lito Reyes as they go around Wiley's Island and down the back straightaway. That races for second place. Ian breaks early and brings it in. Comes on the inside and takes it back. Lito comes back on the inside but can't close the door in time, so Ian back up in second place right now. Set his sights back. Oh, here comes Lito. Lito back up under him. What a good race. You think these bikes are easy to drive there or not? These guys are putting on a good show. Look at this battle for second place going through the S's. Who's going to get back up first? About the same time as they go back around Wiley's Island. Ian will go back into second spot. Lito right behind him. Dwayne Lawler pulling away. This is race 1 of 3. They get AAA mains this afternoon. Great run these guys are having.
5 minutes left.
5 minutes left. The yellow and white bike going around Wiley's Island and down the back straightaway is the one to watch. He's got a fan club over there. These guys were around in the days we ran at the Preston Mall. The public would have got a kick out of those RC bikes. All right, it is Dwayne Lawler leading it over. That bike real smooth coming off the corner. Right now, Ian Francisco back into second place. Looks like Larry Diaz slipped up into third. That number 3 bike right now in third place. 240 now. In case you guys, they have really long, twisty tracks in Europe, and that's where these bikes really get going. You also have them in nitro-powered RC bikes, but you see more in Europe than you do in the States. They are, on the European tracks, they are really fast. Those tracks are long and twisty, and that's what we call it. Dwayne Lawler continuing to lead. Ian Francisco, Larry D, and Lito Reyes. 320 down, 320 to go. Halfway there. Next up is race number 5 out of 15. That is an 10-scale expert B main event. That's a 10-scale expert B main. That'll be Jose Casas, David Blakely, Trevor Jeter, Jeff Bagamaspa, KJ Jones, Lopez, Stephen Ewell, and Ricardo Gonzalez. Plus our 2 pickups from the 10-scale C main event. That would be Will Pendergrass and Steve Kitahaya. Our 2 marks will be able to come back. You guys are going to be up in about 4 minutes. Start getting those quick numbers ready. That B-main event will be a 20-minute main.
3 minutes left.
3 minutes left. Dwayne Lawler still doing a good job. Like I said, you guys that just ran race number 3, Wes and Dana and Max and Danny and Arno, Ricardo, Justin and Finn. If you guys have to turn off for the big guys up next. Alright, thanks for making me back up. I'm sorry. Dwayne Lawler continuing to lead that yellow and white bike. The yellow wheels. Put a move on Ian at the start of race 1 and turn 1 and has to look back at the front. Oh, it's a little motocross. And that's not Ian, I'm sorry, that is Larry Lee. And we're going in here. Getting all of this motor away. Down to 33.2, but Ian Francisco turned up the wheel. The 31.7. Ian is actually crossed out for the one cross traffic and 31.5. Ian turned up the line a little bit, and he's about a straight away behind. This is the best time. There's a minute 25 to go. He's running down the road. We're about a straight apart. So let's see what happens here. There's the lane. And here's the end right here. About 4 seconds between the two bars. This guy goes back. Oh, we got boards. Okay. Fix the boards and the food so he does. It is Dwayne Lawler and Ian Francisco. And look at this Ian. I don't think there's enough time, but Ian is closing the gap on the lane. He picked it up on the second here in the last lap. He got 35 seconds left. There goes Dwayne. And he's in the front line. He's about 29 seconds here. The leader going down the back straight right now. There's Ian right behind him. And Ian looking to close that gap with 20 seconds left. Dwayne Lawler, he needs to stay ahead. Oh, Dwayne gets a little bit of traffic, and here comes Ian. So they're really close now. It looks like 10 seconds left in the race. It's the best start.
Oh, nice.
Ian slides it out. Dwayne to win one more time. And that is it. 81. And then 81 is done. Keep going, man. Keep going. Here comes the win. Here comes Lita. Lita, you're down. So you win it. Dwayne Lawler. Dwayne, you're down. Ian Francisco's finished.
Good one.
Here comes Larry Lee. Very good.